Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secret. Alright, so we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secret. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, sometimes 3, 5, or even 7 or 10 accounts running at the same time, but we're using one just to show you guys that you can get benefit from just one account, and this works. Alright guys, you understand what I'm saying? Anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. So, first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting that $25 business essentially, and honestly, it's because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system, 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month, 80%. All right, so somebody buys the $25 system under you, so to speak. So for example, you click on the link below here and you buy the $25 business from me, I will get $20 of that. That is insane. And if you stay in the system, I continuously get $20 every single month. All right, and there's another product called the HBA Premium, which essentially teaches you how to promote products. It gives you tips on how to set up ads and stuff like that, and it's constantly updated and constantly adding more and more stuff to it. It's just added an emerging system content machine, which does make content for you, like write articles for you, stuff like that. That's just $125, but you get 2 weeks of it free, but it's $125 a month. And if you pay that $125, I get $100 of that, and so will you once you get somebody in the system, so to speak. You can get $120 off of one person per month, guys. That's insane. That's the reason why I like promoting. But anyway, guys, we're gonna refresh the page, see our real results here. Don't believe results if they don't refresh the page. Alright guys, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Actually, it looks like we got 3 sales yesterday, but I'm pretty sure some of them are rebuilds. So I think we got 1 sale, but I'm not entirely sure about the other 2. I might have got 2 sales. I don't know. I'm pretty sure some rebuilds came through. I think I remember seeing some rebuilds, but I'm not entirely sure. I have to check. I don't really check this stuff until I do this video, so I find out after I make the video what's going on. So sorry about that. But anyway, what we're gonna do, guys, I want to show you what exactly you do. First off, in the description, there's a link that says step 1, the $25 business. What you want to do, you want to click on that. Now, once you do that, it should take you to this page here. Once you get to this page here, you can read about $25 business and everything about it, how much money you can make and all that good stuff. Watch videos about it. It's a ton of info about it, right? Now, once you decided, hey, I want to purchase this, you click on yes, I want in. And it's a bunch of buttons up here for it. Anyway, you click on it, it should take you to a video explaining exactly what you're buying. You know what I mean? So one little step to are you sure you want to buy this, right? Basically, and once you decide that, you watch the video, it'll take you to the purchase signal and stuff like that. But okay, once you do the purchase signal and stuff like that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a login information, all that good stuff. It should teach you how to do that. The videos on all of this, I'm just speed running it, okay guys? So if you don't get it, believe me, there's videos explaining all of this. Anyway, so you'll get to a page or something like this, maybe not exactly like this, but this top area should be familiar. That's all you need to know. Now you go to the affiliate zone. Once you go to the affiliate zone, guys, what you want to do, you want to sign up for your affiliate program here. So you sign in, do all the stuff to sign in, all that good stuff, right? And once you do that, it's gonna take you, click on log in the SoundCard or log in right here, right? It's gonna take you to this page here where your results will be at. And all your links are at down here. And this is the link you want to use, the all-in-one $25 business. This is the link that you want to use, guys. So you want to get this link, and then next thing you know, you want to go to step 2, guys. Step 2 will take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, My Lead Gen Secrets should be a page there. I can't remember what the page looks like, but it's all essentially the same. Very simple to understand. Say something about 100 leads every day. You get 100 leads every day. You sign in, do all the stuff to sign in. All right, guys. Now, once you sign in, you want to go to the mailing system. And you want to select all your leads. You should only have 100 leads, guys, if you just started. And you just add an email in. You could type it in, but I'm just gonna copy an old email that I got in here, and you can start doing this once you get some emails in here. But that's all I'm doing it right now. So you want to copy this email, you can just pause the video, copy it, type it in. All right, guys, that's what we're gonna do. Pause the video, copy. Pause the video, copy. That's the whole email right there. That's all it takes. Simple. Now, if you want more emails and you got the HBA Premium, guys, all you have to do is go up here, click on HBA Premium, click on Emerging Magic Content Machine. Now, this right here will write you an email for you. Like, say something like, write an email about the 25 all in one $25 business. Like, you say something like that, write an email about all in one $25 business. You click immersion or whatever it is that I just clicked. I forgot the name of the button, but you click the button, right? And what should happen, right, guys? It should just give you an email that you could use in the system right there. So all you gotta do is copy paste this email into the system right here, and then, you know, select perfect time, and they'll send an email around the time people check emails. Make sure you preview and make sure your link works once you put your link in there. You know, it's very simple to put your link in. You just put it in right there. That's the button there. And you send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to understand. And you just do this every morning, and you'll make money. All right, guys, you'll make money. I've been making money. You've seen my results. You making these results. I've been making a couple $100 a month extra. On top of everything else, like doing this, and it's slowly building up. It's slowly building up. So yeah, it works out, guys. So like I stated before, you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.